What's up guys, kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BPI Blue Rewards cards, credit limit, converting into cash. So yung BPI Blue Rewards credit card ninyo guys, or natin, paano nga ba i-convert yung credit limit niya into cash? Ibig sabihin, pwede kayong mag-loan sa BPI gamit yung BPI Blue Rewards credit card na yon. Then babayaran nyo lang siya monthly. Pag-uusapan natin guys yung fees and charges. At saka kung ano nga ba yung dapat gawin para ma-convert yung credit limit natin sa BPI Blue Rewards credit card ni BPI into cash. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, you can convert your BPI Blue Rewards card credit limit to cash through credit to cash. So when you say credit to cash, ito yung term na ginagamit ni BPI, which is converting your BPI credit card into cash, which converts the limit to a loan payable in installments or via cash advance. So, pwede rin cash installment or cash advance. Dalawang paraan para ma-convert ninyo yung BPI Blue Rewards card credit limit ninyo into cash. Pwedeng credit to cash or cash installment or cash advance, which is a direct cash withdrawal with a lower limit. Credit to cash allows you to convert a large portion of your limit to cash installment. So yung kaibahan ng cash advance at saka nung credit to cash is, yung credit to cash guys is allows you. So ibig sabihin, pinahihintulutan kayo na i-convert yung mas malaking halaga. Ibig sabihin, kahit lahat ng limit sa BPI Blue Rewards card ninyo or Blue Mastercard ninyo sa BPI, lahat yun pwede nyong kunin as cash. Compared to cash advance, lets you withdraw cash from BPI ATMs or affiliated ATMs up to card's cash advance limit. Kasi yung BPI Blue Rewards card, Mastercard niyo sa BPI guys, is may certain amount lang na pwede nyong i-cash advance. Compared to credit to cash, pwedeng lahat yan pwede nyong makuha. Kasi yung cash advance is may assigned limit lang siya. Nasa 30% lang. Compared to credit to cash is 100% siya. Ngayon, isa-isahin natin guys. Credit to cash, what it is. So, a loan product where a portion of your credit limit is converted into cash and paid back in monthly installments. Kasi kapag nag-apply kayo ng cash installment or credit to cash sa BPI gamit yung BPI Blue Rewards cards, Mastercard ninyo, pipili kayo ngayon kung 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, 36 months, 24 months, 36 months. So, hanggang 36 months, ibig sabihin hanggang 3 years yung pinakamatagal nyo na pwede nyong bayaran yung cash installment or yung credit to cash na in-apply ninyo gamit yung BPI credit card na yon sa BPI. How it works? You apply for a specific amount and it will be billed to your card over a fixed term. Example is 12, 18, 24, or 36 months. Tulad ng sabi ko. Then yan, minimum amount is at least 3,000 pesos per application. So, ibig sabihin, hindi dapat bababa sa 3,000 pesos yung i-apply yung credit to cash or cash installment gamit yung BPI Blue Rewards cards, Mastercard ninyo sa BPI. Dapat 3,000 pataas. Fees subject to interest rates and a service fee which is charged for each application. So, of course, may bayad yon. Kapag nag-apply kayo ng BPI credit card cash installment or credit to cash, may charge yun guys. Maliban sa interest rates, may charge yun which is amounting to 500 pesos per transaction. Tapos ngayon, let's move on to cash advance. What it is? A direct withdrawal cash from your credit limit. So, ibig sabihin guys, sa cash advance is anytime pwede siya makuha. Compared to credit to cash or cash installment, there's a certain period of time na kailangan yung antayin para ma-deposit sa dominated savings account ninyo sa BPI or any other bank yung pera na yon. While cash advance is it works like a debit card. Yun nga lang, kailangan siya ng unique PIN or cash advance PIN. So, kailangan yung tumawag sa BPI customer service at mag-request kayo ng cash advance PIN para sa BPI Blue Rewards card Mastercard ninyo para makapag-withdraw kayo sa any ATM or automated teller machine. So you can withdraw cash through any BPI ATM or Visa Mastercard affiliated ATM worldwide. So kahit nasa ibang bansa kayo guys kasi worldwide, basta makita niyo yung Visa or Mastercard, pwede niyo ma-withdraw yung cash advance limit sa BPI Blue Rewards Card, Mastercard ninyo sa BPI. So, limit. For the BPI Blue Rewards cards, the cash advance limit is 30% of your total credit limit. So, ibig sabihin, hindi siya 100%. Like, for example, yung credit limit nyo guys is 100,000. So, yung pwede nyo lang makash advance dyan is 30,000 pesos lang. Hindi pwedeng lumagpas ng 30,000. Yun lang yung magiging cash advance limit ng BPI Blue Rewards card kung 100,000 lang yung credit limit. Pero kung nasa 500,000, so, yung 30% ng 500,000 is 150,000. So, pwedeng 150,000 kung nasa 500,000 yung credit limit. Ganun din sa million. Pwedeng 300,000 kung million. Ganun siya guys. Then yeah, let's talk about fees sa cash advance ni BPI Blue Rewards Cards Mastercard. Sa fees naman, a fixed fee is charged for each transaction. So bawat transaction ito guys, like for example, na cash advance kayo ng 10,000, so automatic to my payment. For a BPI Blue Rewards Card, this is PHP or Philippine Peso, 200 pesos per transactions, plus any fees from other banks ATM. So nakalagay plus any fees from other banks ATM. Kasi pag hindi BPI ATM or BPI teller or BPI automated teller machine, may charge yun kung magkano yung withdrawal fee ng ATM na yun. Kaya naman kung balak mo mag-cash advance, just make sure guys na sa BPI ATM mismo. Then yeah, let's talk about interest. Finance charges and interest are applied from depositing date until the payment date. So, ibig sabihin, yung finance charges, which is 3% yun guys. Halimbawa, nag-cash advance kayo ng 10,000. So, yung 3% ng 10,000 is 300. So, the next billing cycle, hanggang mabayaran nyo, matapos yung bayaran yung kinash advance ninyo, i-charge kayo ng 300 pesos every month. The minimum amount, at least 500 pesos per transaction. So kapag nag-transact kayo guys ng cash advance, hindi dapat bababa sa 500 pesos per transaction. Kasi ito yung minimum amount which is pwede nyo ma-avail yung cash advance feature ng BPI Blue Rewards Card Mastercard. Tapos yung charge guys, bawat transactions is 200. Tapos yung minimum amount na kailangan yung i-cash advance para ma-proceed is 500 pesos. Hindi dapat bababa sa 500. 500 pataas. At kung magkano yung available cash advance limit sa BPI Blue Rewards Cards Mastercard ninyo. So ito guys, just a friendly reminder. So kapag gumamit kayo ng cash advance guys, dapat alam nyo na 3% talaga yung interest nun. Hindi yun nagpo-promo. Kapag nag-cash advance kayo, automatic yung 3% at walang promo yun. Compared to BPI Credit to Cash, minsan nagpo-promo sila na nagbibigay lang na 0.42%, 0.39%, 0.45%. Tapos yung regular interest nga ng Credit to Cash is 1%. So ngayon pag nag-promo na tsempuhan, umaabot lang sa 0.39, 0.45%, o di ba? Ang laking tipid. Compared to BPI Cash Advance, so kapag kinash advance nyo is 3% yun. At saka bawat transaction is 200 pesos. So kung ako sa inyo, kapag hindi nyo naman kailangan talaga yung cash agad-agad, much better to go for, ano na lang muna, credit to cash. Mag-antay na lang kayo ng certain time. Tapos, bayaran nyo na lang into cash installment kasi mas tipid siya. Pero kung madalian talaga, so wala kayong choice, so you should go for BPI Cash Advance na lang. So I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!